Customer orange.
Nena, give me 1,000 naira.
What do you need it for?
I owe you no explanation. Just give me 1,000 naira.
Okay. Well, if you're not going to tell me what you need it for, I don't have.
See, I am not in the mood to make troubles with you, okay? Mama said you should give me 1,000 naira.
Yeah, Katrina. Oh, brother, well, leave that thing you're doing and go and wash these clothes for me.
Mama, as you can see, I'm busy. Drop it there. When I'm done, I'll wash it for you.
I should drop it. Mama. Nina, good afternoon. How was sales today?
Very well. Yes, Mama.
So, how much did you make?
I made 6,400 naira.
Cheluko, are you sure there's no other money in this?
No, 6,400 naira. But Katrina took 1,000 naira earlier, so it's 5,400 naira.
No problem. Give it to me.
But Mama, I want to use it to restore.
Come and give me the money. I saw. I said, but Mama. Meaning what? Eh? Rubbish. Take that tray inside. Take all those things inside. And when you finish, these clothes will not wash themselves. So come and wash them. And I know. Go and drop those things inside now. No, when they kill him, come and get inside. Make sure you wash these clothes so I concentrate on the edges. Ishiake. 2, 3. There's no need counting.
Wow.
It's only money you know how to
I'll do
eat.
you back. Oh. Okay, now. These are my dirty clothes. I want you to wash them very well.
I don't understand. What's the meaning of this? Eh? Why should I wash your clothes?
What is what?
If you can't wash your clothes yourself, you might as well just go naked.
Hey, Mama!
What do you mean?
Wash your clothes. Mama, come! Can you imagine? Nina has refused to wash my clothes.
Eh? Eh? Nana, is it true?
Yes, Mama. Why should I wash her clothes? I do all the chores in this house. Why she sits around painting herself from morning till night? I go to the market, I come back, I sweep, I clean, I wash, I still cook her meals. Now, why should I wash a grown woman's clothes when she has 2 hands?
Yeah. Hey. Wait, you now count all the things you do in this house. You calculate them, right? Very soon you will get a piece of paper and pen and start writing them down. Number 1, I cook. Number 2, I wash. Number 3, I do this, I do that, I do. No problem. So what do wrong? You say you will not wash these clothes, right?
I will not wash her clothes.
No problem. Katrina, take your clothes back inside.
Mama.
Hey, don't mama me. I said take them inside. I said, What is
Who wash them now?
Your head. Do you hear me? It's your head that will wash the clothes. See this one. Come and collect this one. I don't like that.
I don't like this thing, no.
Rubbish.
If you're doing like this, she will be a good girl.
Hey. Nena the advisor. You see these dance steps you're bringing out, eh? I don't know whether I will sharp. I've been a reggae. But no problem. We will dance it very well. Even Makosa. We will dance. No wala, eh? We will dance it. Hey.
Lucas, my man. Lucas, that shaking it. You're looking good.
I got to do the handwork on that.
Except for the fact that you still haven't found iron, to straighten up your clothes. It's like you don't find iron. There's no light. What exactly is going on?
I got to do. That's why I say they compound.
It's fine. In fact, just get the luggage, yeah?
Can you just open the damn door?
What is wrong with you, Dion? Don't you have hands? Open the damn door yourself.
Just be a gentleman and open this damn door. Thank you.
Damn, I'm not cut out for this drama. goddamn drama.
Hey, idiot, just take it easy.
Sorry, ma.
That cost me a fortune.
Sorry.
Besides, I told you I don't want to come back to this damn country. Bloody country.
Yeah, Mom. It was peaceful. We're in Nigeria now, Mom. It's beautiful here. Yeah, we just flew in a few minutes ago. Yeah, Mom, I can't wait to see you. Yeah. No, it's not about...
There are bloody roaches in there. Okay. There are bloody roaches in there.
Okay, babe, can you just calm down?
I told you I don't want to come here. Yeah. I don't want to stay here. Okay. Just get me out of this place.
Okay,
please.
Fine. Can you just calm down? Is roaches right?
Yes.
Yeah, just hold on, I'm coming. Yeah, Lucas.
You don't leave me all by myself.
Hold on, I'm coming.
I'm so scared. Cockroaches. I don't like this country.
Lucas, what exactly is going on here? Why is this place not cleaned? When was the last time this place was cleaned, actually?
Oga, you don't reach 1 month and 1 month we never clean them.
So what's going on? Where is the woman?
Oga, that woman and husband can't die. Now you come back in children too. They can't travel go their village. Since that time, we never cleaned their house.
Lucas, get someone else to clean this place.
Sir, I'll do it quickly.
Okay, can you just calm down, okay? I've spoken to Lucas. By tomorrow, he's going to have someone over here clean up the place, the bed sheet, everything. Just make everywhere squeaky clean. Is that fine?
Is that okay? That?
Yeah.
But get me out of this place, please. I don't want to spend a minute in this place. I don't want to spend a minute in this place. Take me out of this place.
Where do you want to go? Where can you go?
Just take me to a hotel. Anywhere but here, please.
A hotel? How are you sure you won't find a bigger roaches there?
Look, baby,
Yeah.
I'm sure.
You know?
I'm very sure.
You know?
Because those things, they're humongous. I don't want to stay here.
Okay.
Please.
Okay. Babe, I have made the arrangement, okay? Tomorrow. Can you calm down, please?
I'm so scared.
Don't be scared. I'm here with you. It's okay. It's okay. I know.
Baby, I had a great time.
My
sugar baby. I just transferred 100,000 into your account.
Oh my God, baby, thank you. You see, that's why I love you. Thank you so much. You know, I had a great time too.
Wow.
Alright,
sweet,
so take care of yourself for me, okay?
I'll call you. That's sweet.
Alright, now.
That's sweet. That's my baby. Walk it. Walk it, my baby.
Where are you coming from? Since when? And who was that man? Katrina! I'm telling Mama.
Wait, you mean he transferred a whole 100,000 naira to your account?
Sharp.
And that you're going to transfer the whole 100,000 naira to my account?
Onye
Onye
genye.
to stand up and George Ukwu. Ise. 100,000.
Mama, don't worry yourself. Very soon, I will make dollar rain on you. Mama, I will spray you dollar.
You mean dollar will rain on me?
Yes, Mama.
Hey! Dollars will be raining. Hey!
Mama.
Thank you very much.
Mama, don't
My
worry.
God will bless whoever
You
that give you
deserve
that
it.
money.
Thank you.
Hey! See, I'll use that money to go to the market and buy nice materials for August meeting. Right. So that all these women that are doing selensa and shakara for me, they will know that I have arrived. You got to go. I will show them Pepe.
Yes, sir.
I will show them that what a man can do,
a woman can do it even better.
Mama, my lioness of a woman.
Sorry to cut your excitement short.
Here.
But are you not going to ask her where she got the money from?
Ask her who gave her the money. Eh?
Joy killer. Is your money missing?
Enemy of progress. How much have you ever brought into this house?
Oh.
Make the slippers a pure gone. Rubbish.
Have you seen 100,000 naira before in your eyes? Have you seen? Have you even touched it? Have you smelled it before?
Don't mind her. Eh? All she knows is to spoil somebody's joy.
Mama, don't let her. Mama, don't worry. This is just the beginning.
Jello, you mean you will soon start spreading me dollars?
Yes, so.
And this 100,000, I will start going to bureau the change.
I'm telling you. Mama, you're just walking like this.
Buga. Hey, Buga, but this time I will spread my hand like this. Man, I will be saying, Oga madam, what do you want? What do you want? Let me enjoy it. Okay, what do you want to do? Oh, you want to eat this food? Okay, look, if I slap you, Nana, if I slap you, you will go deaf and dumb. What's wrong with you? Oh, you want to eat food? The food your mother bought or what? Fiakananya will be very careful.
But there's no food in the pot and I am hungry.
Cattle watcher, why will you not be hungry? Since you have decided not to do any work, you cannot eat. Remember I told you, by the time we start this dance step,
This is not fair.
Also, this is not fair.
It is green. Come on, get out, also. Get out. Take away that nonsense spoon from here. No, come and eat now. Hey.
Mama, can I eat this meat?
Eat meat now. Eat meat. Even if you want to eat my own better. I like meat. I tell you. Tomorrow,
Very short.
we'll cook.
No,
no. I may call us.
Is this my destiny? Is this my destiny? Is this the life that I end up leaving? Yeah. How come the ones that I thought were close are my enemies? They put me through so much I can't even comprehend.
You're still sweeping by this time of the day?
Mama, good morning, ma.
Hey, did you go to good morning now? Because are you not supposed to be in the market by now?
Mama, I'm not a magician. I told you the money I made from sales yesterday was to restock, but you took it regardless. I don't have money to buy goods.
You're not a magician. But I thought you used to collect goods on credit.
But Mama, that's not how business works. You collect on credit. After sales, you take the money, pay for the one you took already, and then take another one. That's how it works. Well, you took all the money. I don't even have money to pay Mama David for the one I took on credit.
I see. Now, for your information, there is no food in this house. Not even a cup of garri. So you better know how to go and make money. If you know how to go and beg Mama David to give you goods on credit, you better do that. But what are you heading on now? And even the money that you gave me, I have used it to pay for August meeting.
I can't do that one. It's impossible. I'm owing her. Give me the money I'm supposed to pay her. Then I will go.
I see. See, it looks like that hunger of yesterday did not touch you. The one that will hammer you today will give you that flat tummy you were looking for. Well, no problem. No problem at all. If you like, stay there and be folding your mouth like a bat. You see this your color? You will change from Nwadiocha to Nwade black. Oji? Nonsense. Rubbish.
I don't know what you expect me to do. Give me the money I gave you. And I will eat August meeting. So you are going to go and use money I used to pay to buy goods to go and do August meeting.
Ne, baby. Ne.
Oga Lucas, this one you're here. Is there a problem?
I even think it's time to go meet you for house. I think say by now, if I don't go market, go they sell goods. I be no sell today.
Goods don't finish.
You don't chop profit, chop capital too.
Oga Lucas, I better leave me. I'm not in the mood.
Okay. Before you go make me, I lose my own mood. You see, you know that Moga with abroad? He just enter with his wife. And as he be now, they find person we go clean house for them, clean now very, very well, the entire house. Now I find you come.
Hey. How much?
Like 20,000 naira.
Okay.
Where they go now?
What do you see they do for you? Let's be going.
Hey! Ne, you do like money.
You too hate money. How could you go?
Let's go. See here money just run.
Hey! Hi, Motoga, Makao. Who is this person? I'm moto in my compound.
Mama.
Cheluko. Papa David.
Yes.
Hey, Namo. Yeah.
Oh, Mama, good to see you.
Good to see you too. Do you know I couldn't have recognized you if not because of your mother's face?
Mama, you're very funny.
You are so healthy.
Mama, you too. You are looking so young.
So this is your motto. Aba motto. Hey! The man David did go, yeah? Making so much money.
Mama.
Hey! Nah, come and sit on my
No, don't worry, Mama. Let me relax here.
Hey!
Mama, good to see you.
Good
Been a long time.
No, you're welcome.
Thank you.
Katrina! Mama! Please come, oh, we have an August visitor.
Kati,
Dave.
look at you. Hey. So grown and beautiful.
See how fresh you look. Is this your car?
Yes, that's my car. Mama, please, where is Nena?
Nena. My dear, that girl has turned to something else. I don't know how to describe it anymore. She has turned to a wanderer, wandering from one place to another with all these Aken Opa boys. You know those small boys, those ones that push barrow and do bricklaying. There's even one that is packing sand on the road. She's moving about with all of them. Yes. Hey. But anyway, forget about Nena. Go to my room, get money from my purse. My purse is under the pillow. Bring money, go and buy him small stuff.
No, I'm fine, Mama, I'm fine. I don't need anything.
No, it's big stout, a chilled one.
You will not change, Mama. You will not change, Mama, I'm fine.
Mamba, juice.
Not juice, this type of person doesn't drink juice.
Both of you will not change.
Beer. Is it Heineken? Which of them do you like?
Oh, the both of you have always been like this. Mama, I'm fine. Mama, I'm fine. I don't need anything. Actually, I'm here just to see Nena. Where is she?
This is Nena. Do you know where she wandered off to this time around?
Mama, I saw her leaving the house early this morning with that her gateman boyfriend, Lucas.
Hey, I said it. The only thing she knows how to do is to be jumping from one boy to another. All these Aken and Papa boys. What the boys see Diego? What did I not do for this girl? I do everything for her. Clothe her, feed her. Make sure she's okay. It's only Katrina that stays in the house and do all the house chores.
Mama, it's the home training you gave me. You know I cannot disappoint you. It's in my blood. All the Nimo Bala. So
then that will not do anything. She will wander out and come back very late in the night, but she will not kill me.
Mama, it's okay, okay? Ozugo, stop crying.
I'm trying to train Nana like I trained you, but she don't want to. She wants to give me IBP. God forbid. Hey! I'm so bad. I wouldn't have. Did you say you will not drink anything?
No, I'm fine.
The rice is your offer. I could tell me rice.
Away. See fine clothes. Nene. See fine clothes. Hey, this one is for big girls.
Hello? Who are you? And what are you doing in my bedroom? What are you saying?
I'm the new cleaner you just employed, sir.
You're the new cleaner? And you left your job to look for a clothes to steal?
Steal?
Is that exactly what you're trying to do?
No, sir, I don't steal. I've never stolen my whole life. I was just admiring the clothes. Sorry, sir.
And will you hurry up and clean up this place and leave this house?
Look, hey, there's water here.
Nana. Wow. This is nice.
Thank you, sir.
The whole place is sparkling. Well done, well done.
Thank you, sir.
Once you're done, I've given Lucas your payment. He will hand it over to you.
Thank you, sir.
All right. Can you cook?
Very well, sir.
They're confident. Okay. Would it be nice if you make some vegetable for us before you go? Are you sure you can make that?
Sir, I can make all kinds of dishes.
Oh,
You don't have a problem.
Really?
Yes, sir.
I like that. Right.
Can you make mac and cheese? Of course, I know you wouldn't know that. Can you make baked beans?
Could they bake beans?
Oh, shut up, please. Look, why are you bragging about knowing how to cook? You don't know how to cook anything.
Babe, okay. Come on. Babe, those are intercontinental dishes.
I mean, if she's such a good cook.
It's fine, babe, it's fine. Just make the list and I'll give you the money. Okay?
Of baked beans?
No, I'm talking about the vegetable we talked about. Okay. All right.
Oh, yes, sir.
All right. Babe, come. Come. I know. No. Baked beans, come on.
What do you expect her to make something for you to eat?
Come on, just come. I have
You have what?
Do you want baked beans? I can.
Chinukwu, so this girl is not yet back?
She's not.
And she didn't tell you exactly where she was going to?
I only saw her going out with her gateman boyfriend, Lucas.
Oh, so if she's not in this house, you cannot cook. We will not eat.
Mama, please, please, Mama. I don't have strength for this your problems this evening. No, I don't have your strength, oh. Please.
No problem. Don't even have strength for my troubles. Oh, it's two of us that will stay hungry. Okay? We are going on hunger strike. Hunger will just pepper us very, very well. Nonsense. Do you know why this young man came back and was looking for Nena?
How is that one my business?
If you go a brain, Mama, how is that one my business? Don't you see that guy has made so much money and he needs to settle down? That is why he is looking for Nena. You know that these people have been friends from childhood, even from their primary school. They have been very close friends. And now that he has made money, he wants to settle down. Probably that is why he is looking for Nena. And you I just want you to make sure that you reduce all this your pion with all these small boys in this village and concentrate on how to get close to that man. Because Nana is not supposed to be the one that will get close to him. It is supposed to be you. Because if Nana happens to marry that rich man, she will make sure that we will come to their house and be begging. We will beg for food, beg for rice, beg for... That is it now.
God forbid me beg Nena for something. God forbid bad thing.
Thank God you know that you are not supposed to beg. So God will forbid it, but not when you're seated there pressing phone, pim, and looking for all these chewing gum boys. Pick all things, go here. Do you hear me? Learn to put 1 and 2 together. Bam, go click here. Pick all here, go here.
This smells nice.
Thank you, sir.
I hope it tastes nice too.
I hope you like it, sir.
My goodness. This is good.
Thank you.
Reminds me of my grandma.
I'm glad you like it, sir.
Like it? I love it. Babe, I think you should try it.
Try what?
This is nice.
This yuckiness in a plate? God forbid. Can't eat this. Please.
Did I do something wrong?
Oh, no. It's fine. Since she left this country, I think she's no longer used to this, okay?
Maybe she's only used to baked beans.
Sorry. Okay, Lucas will give you something, alright? I'm sure that will be fine for you. So, can I have your number in case I need to call you?
I don't have a phone, sir.
What? You don't have a phone? Oh, okay. So how about you come here, say by noon tomorrow? Is that fine?
Okay, sir.
Okay. Thank you. Thank you. This is wow. Honey? Honey? Are you sure? You don't want to? I mean, your plate of food is looking nice.
Where are you coming from by this time of the night? Oh, so you have started sleeping around with men? Okay?
No, Mama. No, I went to work. Let me show you. Look.
Hey!
Mama. Hey! 30,000.
30,000 naira.
I worked for it.
Hey! I can see you know you not do prostitution or where?
No, Mama.
What is it no?
Lucas, my friend, told me that his boss returned from abroad and he needed someone to clean and cook. So I did the job and that's the payment I received from it.
Hey! So Lucas has now started giving you out to men in exchange for money.
No.
I need down there. Need that hands up.
Here, my friend.
Also,
Mama, please. No,
hands up. Hands up.
Please, that's the truth. I'm telling you the truth.
Please tell me, is this my destiny? Is this my destiny? Is this the life that I end up leaving? Yeah. How come the ones that I thought were close are my enemies? They put me through so much, I can't even comprehend. You've got to mind the way you treat people. The way you treat people. No, you never know. No, you never know what the future holds. All the hurt and the grief, the hate and the shame. All the pain and the tears became a blessing for me.
What are you doing? David!
Nina! Oh my God! Nina, good to see you. Good to see you.
Sorry I got carried away.
That's fine, that's fine.
I didn't even know you came back.
I did before yesterday. I came here looking for you yesterday. Were you not told?
Of course, David, we did. But you know, Nena here can be really forgetful. Nena, didn't we tell you?
Nina, that's fine. Nina, what's wrong with you? Why are you so bruised up? What happened to you? Look at.
It's nothing. I'm so happy to see you.
Me too.
Come in. Come in. Have a seat.
Fine, but Nina, are you sure you're fine? What's wrong with you? Look at your body. Huh? Are you okay?
I'm fine. Just have a seat. I'll bring water. Welcome.
No, you never know. No, you never know what the future holds.
Oh, Namo, we have been warning her to stop wandering about in the village, especially at night. But she wouldn't listen. Eh? That was why she was coming back yesterday, as usual, very late in the night. And she was attacked by armed robbers. And they did all these things to her.
Nina, is that so? Talk to me. Yes. Nina, why will you be keeping late nights? No, it's very risky and bad.
Very dangerous. Eh?
It's fine. Mama, I will take her to a pharmacist so that we can get her treated. This is bad now. Look at her body. Probably get her some medications too.
Dalu Onna, thank you very much. Because I was even planning to take her to the chemist for treatment. I said when we finish having our breakfast, let me take her to the chemist. But after looking at all her wounds, I noticed that she was badly wounded and it's not something I'll start waiting. So I was getting ready to take her to the chemist when you drove in.
It's okay.
Thank you.
Please.
I don't want anything to happen to you.
Help us.
Good morning, darling.
Good morning, darling. Did you sleep well?
Beautifully.
Breakfast?
Sure.
Help yourself, okay?
What's that smell?
What smell? Babe.
What was that? Did you trash my food?
Oh, I trashed that thing.
Why?
Honey, I had things in the fridge and it was smelling over it.
But that's my food.
That is poison.
You shouldn't have done that.
Babe, your breakfast.
You shouldn't have done that.
Who even eats that? So ungrateful.
I remember those days I used to steal from my mom's purse just to buy you vitamin C. Those orange ones, you remember? Those ones that are like tablets.
And I never knew you were stealing until you were caught.
Can't ever forget that day. I will never forget. Maybe I miss childhood though, and I miss us.
I missed us too.
Then your face was looking so, it was like your small head and beautiful eyes.
How do I take them?
The prescription is on the job.
Thank you very much.
So how much is it?
1.5.
Keep the change, eh?
Thank you,
Hope
sir.
all these bruises will clear before 2 days. Because I want my baby back. I don't want to say anything. Baby, take it easy, okay?
Really?
Yes, I have.
Why don't I believe?
Why will you even think that of me?
But I don't know what to believe. I didn't even know you'd ever come back looking for me.
Ne. When your mother died, I made a promise to you that I will always be there for you. I will always stand by you. And I meant every single word I said that day, and that's why I'm here. And I'm here.
But you disappeared immediately after Wayek, without even a word, not even a goodbye. You knew very well that you were my only friend, and then you just left me alone. I just felt so alone, like someone no one wanted.
Ne. Ne, I needed to leave as at then. Nina, I needed to go out there and hustle, make some money and have the resources to take care of you. And I'm here now. My baby, I'm here. I'm back. I want to marry you. That's the main reason why I came back. I'm back to marry you, Baby, just give me this heart. Oh, people.
Let's go.
Don't worry, It will be fine. I don't like seeing you angry. Anything that will take away this smile, this beautiful smile from your face, I don't want it. Always smile for me. Anytime you see.
You're welcome, sir.
Thank you. Lucas.
Sasha.
Come on here.
Got me. You're welcome, sir.
Thank you. The girl that cleaned this house, what's her name again?
Nena.
Nena, that's her name. Can you call her? Let her come and make a delicious meal for me.
Okay, sir.
I want to eat something homely.
Are you serious right now?
Of course I am. She's a good cook.
Look, I don't want that girl in this house. I don't like her. I don't want her making your meals. I mean, that's my responsibility, right?
Oh, yeah. No, it's fine. I just need you to make just white rice and stew. That's all.
Yeah, that's a piece of cake. I'll do it.
Oh, then she doesn't have to come. Forget about her.
Okay,
I don't want that girl coming to this house.
Okay, ma. Sebon.
Supposed to do with this. I don't even know what to do with this. Where's this guy?
Madam Dion, you call me?
Yes, where have you been?
My inner caucus echelon.
Okay, that's okay. Do you know how to prepare Nigerian stew?
Nigerian stew?
I mean African stew.
I never even cook Nigerian stew. In Africa, I can't talk. I know sabi cook o. See, man, I tell you the truth. The only food why I sabi cook for this life na akpu.
What's that?
Fufu or Santana.
Ew.
Or you call it the English name na lulu.
Ew. I mean, what do you even know how to do? You're just so useless. Please get out.
Shekwa ageshe.
Get out! You're of no use to me.
Sebon.
Can't even help me do anything. Now, what do I do with this? How? Don't even know what to cut first. How to... Ouch! Ooh. What do I do now?
4, 6, 8, 10. Hey, this one is not good. 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. Again.
There's something I want to discuss with you.
20. What is it? I'm all ears. Just talk. 18.
It's about David.
Eh?
He said he wants to marry me.
David wants to marry you. Ezioku. That is very good news, though. Eh? Eh? Tell him to come with his people. Tell him to come with his people now.
Mama,
And
thank you.
you're welcome, my daughter. It's okay. There's no need kneeling down. Hey. What is even wrong with this girl? Eh? Just look at now. I've missed count of what I'm counting. David wants to marry you. I'm not fear. Come and marry David. See, look, now I will start from the beginning again. Eh? Don't even know where I stopped. Where are you coming from? Where are you coming from?
I'm going to see my friend.
You went to see your friend. Eh? This is where you will be gallivanting the whole of this village. All in the name of I went to see my friend. While your sister, Nena, has landed herself a jackpot.
What jackpot?
Oh, you're asking me? David has asked her to marry him.
Mama, come on. You know that's not possible. I mean, why would David want to marry someone like Nena?
Are you asking me that question? I don't blame you. It's not your fault. In fact, you can go and ask your dead father in his grave.
I don't start, I beg. Don't start. Don't start.
I want to spark. Don't worry, continue fooling yourself, working the whole of this village, while your sister is busy organizing herself, selecting a rich man. Go with big money, big motor. And you're here jumping up and down, moving from one nonsense boy to another. Rubbish. If you don't take your time, I will move my program for in this house. Would you go and get me a rich husband? Get a rich husband and come here. I need a rich in-law. Go. Nonsense. Already come out on Hi.
All right, baby.
Hey?
This is a treat of a lifetime. You love it. Looks delicious, right? All right, babe. So, eat.
Babe, what kind of stew is this? It looks weird.
It's beautiful. Just eat. I mean, that's what you ordered, and I delivered. Just eat. So you will not have any need to invite that girl.
Can I just eat just the rice without the stew?
Babe, the stew, the food was specially made for you, so just eat. Please, just eat. Yummy.
Yeah.
How is it? I knew you would love it. Oh, babe, I've always waited for you. I know this is love. This is bad.
Yeah.
This is really bad.
Yeah.
Can I have water, please? Water, babe.
You don't need water.
Baby.
I always enjoy this. That's why I always come here every day. I won't stop coming.
You know you're my only customer, right?
Very important one. It's just so important. I'm sure this orange is not a foreign
Dave, you're here.
Katrina, how are you?
I'm fine. Nina, your gateman boyfriend is looking for you.
Lucas?
Yes, Lucas. And I'm sure it's urgent. So I think you should go answer him. Don't worry, I'll look after that for you.
I can't go. I'm with someone.
No, you have to go, okay? After this orange, I will leave. You can go see him, okay?
And Katrina, don't leave the shop until I get back, okay?
Don't worry.
Okay.
Kati.
I'm going.
All right. Remember to tell Mama that I'll see her tomorrow, okay?
Okay. I'm coming back. Katrina, remember what I said. Don't leave.
No problem. Dave, so you're planning on getting married to my cousin?
Not just planning. Everything is set.
And you're so comfortable doing that, even though she's in love with someone else.
Katrina, what are you talking about? Huh? What do you mean by that statement?
Lucas, what's up? Why you say they find me?
Babies, don't tell why they wait for you. Anyway, my Oga Duke, he say make I come call me, come cook food for him. You see, that girl when carry come, what do they call him? Francie. That ain't Francie.
Fiance.
Okay, that ain't fiance. The girl cook potty like this game, my Oga. Now so my God got the run enter toilet, go run, come out, run enter toilet, run, come out, run inside toilet, come out. Come make I come call, make come cook for him.
Okay, I feel bad for your girl.
Even me too.
But the thing be say, you know say that work now, only one time work I do. I know one do am again.
Who they talk?
It's happen.
Hey, Shekwa, I guess. You well know, when me Lucas know. You will like money pass everything, even pass breathe when they breathe.
Lucas, I don't like money pass you.
You're small, shy. I know I'm here in the run and that.
But you see, I go soon marry. So I know if they do that kind of work again.
Tell me the truth. You mean I say you go soon marry? Hey, God, you see my own Nena baby go soon become Mrs. somebody.
Yes, sir.
Hey! Wait, I ask you. The guy get money?
He's doing well.
Okay.
Now my childhood friend will come out this village since now he don't make and can't find.
I go miss you. I feel like crying.
Why you can't date too dramatic like this?
I go miss
I never they go now, never marry.
Okay.
I see they with you, no worry.
Okay.
But the thing be saying, tell Oga say I go come cook for her. But this is not the last time, because you know say I go marry soon. I want to make a dey cook for my husband only.
You see. Hey, Nena baby, if you dey cook, make it the breast small for me. Don't and that's Zondo. They just bring her for me. They I go miss some food.
If you tell me say na food, now make me be my friend.
No. But you know how they be now. I am more they go. Your guy go the way for us.
No, you go they go. I go come. My husband dey my shop. I don't want to leave him there.
In the shop? Great time for me.
No, Allah.
Tell us make you give small money, give me.
You too like money. No, go, they go. Go! Hey, God. Just look at her. I go back to shop.
Hey.
Sir.
Something sure smells nice here.
Thank you, sir.
So what are we having for dinner?
Lucas said you wanted fresh tomato stew. That's what I'm making.
Okay. So I was thinking, why don't you make varieties of soups and we'll put it in the freezer. That way I won't be calling you all the time.
That's a good idea, sir.
Right.
Because I won't be around for long.
Are you traveling?
Something like that, sir.
Okay. Thank you. Carry on then.
Thank you, sir.
So I was thinking, let's do this first.
No. I think I prefer this.
No. You would like this.
Mom. I'm done with the cooking and everything.
Honey, do you smell that? Something smells really bad.
I don't.
When was the last time you had a shower?
Babe, come on. Don't embarrass her like
I
that.
am not. How can an adult smell like this? Ew.
Nena,
So,
thank you for the delicious meal. The aroma says a lot. So I added a little extra cash for you. For you and everything. Thank you for your services. Okay?
thank you, sir.
Thank you. You're welcome. And Nena, the last time you told me you do not have a phone, and I'm not using this. I need you to get a SIM card, put it in it, and call me.
I mean, what has she done to deserve this phone? What?
She is a good person, and that's reason enough.
You're just unbelievable.
No, sir. Sir, this is too much. I can't accept this.
Nena, take this, buy a SIM, and call me. All right? Take. Have it. Come on, take it.
Thank you, sir.
No.
Thank you.
What's that? Just thank you is enough, okay? Let's go.
Thank you, sir.
Take care.
Thank you, ma.
I mean, what has she done to deserve that phone?
You just calm down.
I mean, she doesn't even know the worth of that phone.
Oh, she needs it. Do you want the phone? Do you want to use the phone? Do you need a phone?
She doesn't. Believe me, she doesn't.
Oh, come on. Is there something you need? Tell me. Is there something you need? Is there something you need?
Just stop.
It's
But
okay.
why her though?
Come on. She works for us. Cook, clean, everything.
I can
Should
do all that
appreciate.
for you.
Oh yeah? You can? Are you sure you can?
Just
tell me. Tell me.
Please
there's
just let me,
something.
just let me be. But why
I
give her
can't.
the phone?
Okay, it's fine.
Hey! Nefuka phone bikun. Hey!
Mama,
Eh?
I'm telling you.
Eh?
iPhone 13, machine.
13.
Let me even look at the
No,
camera
Chelu,
self.
Chelu good.
Mama, can you imagine? I'm still using iPhone 12. Eh? And she will not start using 13. It's not possible.
Hey! Chelu, you mean a man gave you this phone? This our phone without any strings attached. Just like that.
Yes, Mama.
Do you know you're a shameless liar? Very shameless.
Big one.
Eh? Hey! You are about getting married and you're still collecting things from men. You feeling me, bogi?
No, Mama, it's not what you think. This is just one of his phones. My guy is very generous.
Tameshono, Asiocha, liar. Mama, listen, let me tell you. No man will give you something, without having any intentions.
Exactly.
You see this Buruburu movement between she and Lucas, that she's going to clean house for one big man. Mama, I don't even understand. That thing doesn't make sense at all. Check here now. It doesn't make sense.
At all.
It doesn't make sense to you.
Mbano. Hey. If Wagi eat the bad, you a very bad person. They go do that our phone. Yes, now somebody that she just like that.
Mama,
And
I'm beginning to suspect that Lucas of a guy. I think he's a pimp, and he has started pimping her to big men.
hey.
Yes, started doing hookup.
And they will ask some grammar. And which one is pimp and the hook up again?
Mama, pimping is when somebody carries another person to give somebody else. Yeah, Lucas will carry her now and go introduce her to one big man. Shana boy sugar daddy.
Hey!
Yes.
Oh yeah, that's now.
Then the man and the woman do not go and meet in a hotel. If you scratch my back, I scratch your back. Then you not drop money.
That's not true.
Shut up.
Why would I allow any man to hook me up? That's not true, and you know it.
Money. Money, of course. Already hustle.
Mama, you answering her?
Why
Why you even answering her like she doesn't know? You see this phone, I will join it to this one. 2. I will use this. I will use 12 and 13.
No why you so. But wait. Does your husband know that you now do hookup?
I am not doing hookup. I am not doing hookup. Stop saying that. What is all this?
And who are you asking that question? What is all this now? Why are you asking that question? Is that question meant for me?
See
Rubbish.
this phone, you're not seeing it again. Cha-cha.
But don't you think you should give me your own phone and then take the new phone?
Hey, Mama, can you even operate it? Do you know how to use iPhone? Okay, now do you have iCloud? In where iCloud?
Which one is iCloud?
Mama, you cannot use it. Don't worry, I'll buy you an Android phone, okay? I'll buy you an Android phone. Let me even test the camera.
Give it back! Don't spoil this phone.
Ma, I will shift this girl.
Don't touch this phone before you spoil it. Do you know what this phone is? Idiot. This one that you are doing like an epileptic person. Are you
Mama, don't fall my hand. This is how they used to hold it and do it. And then you pout. You call it pouting. Yeah,
this is your look up. Where
could it be? Okay, let me check. What is this? What? No, Duke can't be serious. Duke! Duke, what is this? What is this?
Property documents.
Why are you buying a property in Nigeria? Answer me, why?
I was going to tell you. Okay, I was just waiting for the right time. I thought about it and I made a decision. I want to go into agriculture.
You made a decision and you thought about it. It didn't cross your mind for a second to tell me.
I was going to tell you.
You know what? You have a thriving career in the States. You want to throw all that away just to become a farmer in this shithole country. Why? Do you know what? I don't know what prompted that decision, but I need you to have a rethink and remake that decision. Because you see, this is not going to work. It's really not going to work with me. And I also need you to give me a date of when we're going back to the States. It's even very stupid of you to do this. Why would you take such a decision? A farmer. This is plain stupid, please.
Agriculture is the future. You need to understand that.
Nina, there's something I want to ask you.
Okay, what is it?
Are you in love with anyone?
Of course. You.
I mean, if you're in love with someone else.
No. Where did that come from?
Katrina.
Of course.
She said that you're in a relationship with a certain gate man, Lucas. Yes, and I remembered he came visiting the other time.
Lucas? Oh God. Please, don't take Katrina seriously. Lucas is just a friend that helped me to secure a job in his boss's house as a cleaner. That's all.
That's strange. Why would Katrina lay such a serious accusation against her own blood? Because she sounded very serious and I took it to heart.
But please don't take her seriously, okay?
But it's a serious issue. It's serious.
Don't you trust me?
See, you know I do. I was like, what will you be doing with a
me and Lucas? Come on, that's not true. Ignore her, please.
I will do that.
Please tell me, is this my destiny? Is this my destiny? Is this the life that I end up leaving?
Katrina, why did you tell David that Lucas and I are together? You know that's not true. I'm talking to you. Katrina, why do you hate me this much? Why do you hate me to the extent that you want to ruin my relationship with David? What have I ever done wrong to you?
Nana.
Good day, sir.
Good day. I am sorry. Please pardon me. I know I promised you I wasn't going to bother you again, but I need you. I need you with the cleaning of this house. Please forgive me.
You don't have to apologize, sir. I'm here because I know you haven't found someone else. So yeah, that's why I'm here.
See why you're a darling. But I remember I told you to call me when you get a sim. I expected you to call. Why didn't you call? Do you want me to beg you? Get yourself one. Okay, can I have your number?
Sir,
Please?
No, it's not that, sir.
You don't know where they sell it?
I do.
You don't have money? Do you need money to buy the SIM?
Sir, I haven't gotten the time to buy a SIM, but I'll do that as soon as possible, and I'll give you my number.
Oh, it's fine. Whatever the reason is, can you help me get juice?
Okay,
A glass of juice, please.
Thank you, sir.
Just keeping her. Dion, please hurry up.
All right, honey. Shall we? How do I look? Oh, sorry, I forgot my phone. Are you okay? What's your problem?
Her? Why?
Are you asking me why this girl spilled drink on?
Sorry. Don't worry.
I didn't know.
Are you okay? Are you okay? I know. Of course, I saw everything. Just stand up. Go to Lucas. Okay? Lucas, just go. No. You don't need to be scared.
No, are you being very, very serious right now?
Really?
Really? Yes. Were you not here when she spilled that drink on my $5,000 outfit?
Compassion, Dion. But what is wrong with you? The feeling of showing sympathy and concern for others. You don't have it. You're so unforgiving, and God knows I have tried my very best to put you on the right track. You know, she may not be as wealthy as we are, but she is still a human being. I applaud her. For her humility, diligence, and respect. A crazy person would have slapped you back and there is nothing you will do about it.
Oh, I'm so scared.
You need to watch your attitude. You need to learn how to tolerate people. Your attitude is terrible.
Look, let me tell you. I don't even care what happens. You know what? You're so unbelievable. I don't even know why you're taking sides with that girl who does not have value for money. Wow. You know what? When you're done and you're ready for us to leave.
Let's go.
Thank you. You're just so unbelievable.
Slapping.
Just imagine.
Hey. These clothes are very expensive, oh. Hey, you mean all these are for me?
Yes, Mama.
Chai. Hey.
I specifically picked that one for you. I know you will like it.
Oh, column, no, yellow and blue. What do you not like? Hey, it's the Wogo. Abogo, my good-in-law. Hey, greet him for me. Oh? Okay. Hey. Cheluko, let me see that phone you're holding in your hand. A phone? Yes, ma'am. He also bought you a phone. Hey, this boy is so wonderful. Is he more mad? Hey!
That's not all. He also said I should pick this one for Katrina.
Okay, this one is for Katrina. Kati?
I don't wear cheap materials.
Yeah. Don't mind her. Oh? My actually cheap material. This one is what you're calling cheap material. When did they say they're coming?
A day after tomorrow.
A day after tomorrow. Yeah, one nature now.
Saturday.
Hey! Ezioku. Because, see, tell him to come tomorrow. So that we can have dinner together and get to bond with each other.
Okay, Mama, I'll tell him.
Hey, no, because tell him, oh, hey, see fine materials. I'm gonna take them to my room. You go?
Okay, Mama. Thank you, Mama.
Keep it well, in fact, keep it on my bed. Thank you, Namo. When you big man. Because when you enter your mansion, don't forget also. Very soon I am a mansion.
Mama. Mama.
What?
Why were you in support of her? So you're happy for her now?
No. I can't be happy with her. God forbid. Me to be happy with that stupid girl. It's not possible. How can she get married before my daughter? It's not possible now. I will not even allow her to marry a rich man. So that she will come and be doing bossing over us, be doing booga. No, it's not possible. Bano, I have plans.
Hey, Mama. So what is the plan?
You worry too much. Just calm down. What? Calm down. She'll be getting married in 2 days' time. Okay?
Yes.
Good. Instead of her to marry David will be the one getting married to you.
Joe, what's the plan? Mama, be serious.
I'm serious now.
How is that even possible?
No, don't you trust your mother again? By the time I put 1 and 2 together, enter chessboard, cha, I press it. Calm down.
Duke, I'm tired of this country. I want to go home.
What do you want me to do?
Do nothing but take me back to the States.
I'm sorry, Akana, and I told you already, I'm bringing my investment home. I'm settling down here.
Bring your investments home? When you told me you wanted us to come to Nigeria, you said it was just for a short visit. You never told me you were settling here. You tricked me.
I did not trick you. Okay, I told you. Come on, look at this country. It's beautiful. The soil is good for the business. I'm just saying, please stay. Let's do this.
I don't care about the serenity of the country or whatever. I want to go home.
I'm sorry, I can't do that. And I didn't trick you. You have your passport. I don't want to talk about it, please.
What? You're so unbelievable.
Dion? Hey, babe.
Please go away.
Babe.
Please go away.
I'm sorry. You know I didn't mean all that I said. I was just angry and I said a lot of stuff I didn't mean. I'm sorry. But babe, we can do this. This is a new opportunity for us. And we have a lot of things to do here together. Can you just stay with me? Don't go, please? Please.
Look, when I left Nigeria, I promised myself I will only come here for a visit. Short visit. I don't like it here. I don't have good memories here. I don't want to raise my family here. I don't want to have kids here. Please. I just don't like.
Okay, babe, I need you to understand that a lot of things are changing, okay? And this country needs people who have seen better. And babe, we've seen better. Let's do better here. Okay, farming is something good. It's something that is consistently relevant. All right, in Africa is the new destination. So let us help this country. Please, babe, don't go.
For how long? I left Nigeria as a child. And nothing has changed. It's even worse than the time we left. Don't you read the news? The stories that come out of this country? The blogs? It can never get better here. I just don't like it here. You know, the worst of it all, I don't want to get married to a farmer. Yes. I don't want to dig the soil with you. I don't want to be associated with dirt. Return with me to the US. Let's go back. There is nothing here for us. We can visit.
Please tell me, is this my destiny? Is this my destiny? Is this the life that I end up leaving? Yeah. How come the ones that I thought were close are my enemies? They put me through so much I can't even comprehend. Please tell me, is this my destiny? Is this my destiny? Is this the life that I end up leaving? Yeah. How come the ones that I thought were close are my enemies? They put me through so much I can't even comprehend.
My waist, oh. Ah!
Hi. Mama, we don't used to feed her well. How come she has that kind of...
Eh? Here. By the time she will drink a lot of beer and then take meat, she'll be growing fat. Hey. Hey. Just go and get her phone. Let's call Lucas. Eh?
Mama, what if he recognizes my voice?
He will not. Lucas is not that intelligent. That boy won't eat it. It's him, but I can go and get the phone.
Mama, are you sure?
I'm very sure. Eh? That boy is not intelligent at all. Hey! What is holding this ball? Eh?
I don't know. Let's wait. Let's just continue with it.
No, that boy is very sluggish. Oh.
Mama.
How
are you?
Lucas, how are you?
Ma, fine, thank you, ma.
What do you want?
Nne. She called me to make I come. She dey house.
I don't know. Go and check.
Nne, baby.
You don't need to worry yourself. Oh, I sent her on an errand. Just sit down and wait. She will soon come back.
What's going on here? Where are you going?
My flight is in 2 hours. I'm leaving you.
This has to be a joke. You're joking.
I gave you time to think. You took a decision without even considering me. I can't do this.
Oh, babe. Dion, please. Please don't leave me, okay? This is a good venture. Listen, I I know it might be difficult now because of the new venture, but please, we're going to be fine. Please don't leave me.
Look, you chose your path. I've chosen mine. I can't do this with you.
Please, I need you. Okay, I can't do this without you. You're my life. Please don't go.
And do what? And be the wife to a farmer? God forbid, I can't do this. I can't do this. You know what? Just enjoy your stay in your farming world, because I can't do this.
Dion, please don't go. Come on. We're going to be fine. We've been through a lot together.
Oh, Lucas.
Mama, what I know they hungry me. I know they thirsty.
I wanted to offer you beer. You said no. Drink water. You cannot say no now. It's a sin to refuse everything in somebody's house, even water.
Sin?
Not to take even cola. It's wrong.
Mama, if you didn't inside Bible say na sin.
It is inside Bible. I sure say good idea.
Since very sure say na sin, then inside Bible. Like I just. But no, my mind do. But
drink. Oh.
Okay.
I brought it from my fridge.
Okay, thank you.
Drink. Lucas. You can see it's chilled. Are you okay? You don't want to drink again?
I do okay now.
It's all right.
Thank you, I'm okay.
At least. Now you have done like somebody that has come to somebody's house.
Thank you.
Hey. So you said you are looking for Nnenna, eh?
Yeah, Nnenna.
No problem. Again.
Nnenna!
David, wait.
What is it you want to talk about?
David, please listen to me. Let me explain. I don't know what happened in there. Please, we did not do anything. Believe me.
What are you talking about? I asked you. You said you don't have anything to do with that man. The same man you said you don't have anything to do with is the same man lying half-dressed on your bed. What is it you want to tell me? What is it?
I don't know what happened. I just woke up and saw him next to me. I promise. Please, David, please believe me. Nothing happened. I beg you, don't leave me, please.
Nnenna, I trusted you. I loved you so much that I was so blinded that I couldn't even listen to all the things they were saying about you.
I'm sure there is an explanation, David.
Leave me alone.
Please.
Not even a normal man. A man gets man.
Hey, oh God.
You are ashamed to womanhood.
No, please, David.
Excuse me.
Please.
I swear to God, don't come close to me.
David, please. Oh my God. David, please! Oh my God, just happened.
No, you never know.
What did you do?
Shut up! What did you do again? When you come and marry?
What is what you're doing?
No! How can I do that? Come and marry, let me see you. When you were busy doing it with Lucas. I didn't do anything.
Mama, I need it too much.
Mama, you are too. Trust me now. Trust me now. You know what I can do.
What did happen?
Lulu, look at your wife. You don't even mind doing it in my own house. No, baby. You better make way. You see the way I gave you.
Good day, sir. Yes. Oga, you get waiting. I want to ask you. Oga, no verse. I feel ask you.
Go on.
Since yesterday, I never take this my 2 eyes see Madam Dioni.
Oh well. She's gone back to the States.
Yeah.
Is there any problem?
Oga, you remember what I tell you about NNENA? Say she want marry today.
Oh yes. How is it going? Wait. You want us to attend?
Oga, something happened.
Okay.
Something terrible happened. You see that I did my duty post, now so my phone ring. I bring her out, look am, na NNENA. Now I pick her, she come see make her come their house, say you dey very, very urgent. I am my run, go their house. Oga, I go their house, I don't know what can happen, no. I don't know what happen, I just wake up, see myself naked, she naked on top of the same bed. The way we come pay me pass me say the husband we want marry am come enter inside that room come see 2 of us naked on the same bed. The man come first to go.
I don't understand. What exactly are you saying?
Oga, me too no understand. I dey very, very confused. As I reach that house, now so the woman carry water give me. I no even ask her say I wan drink water. Ain't carry water give me. I be no wan drink o. Ain't come say na sin for somebody reject cola for somebody house. Now I come carry the water drink. As I drink the water, na the last thing I remember, Oga. Na the last thing. I come wake up, come see myself naked with NNENA naked same bed.
So what you're trying to say is that both of you got set up?
Yes, Oga. That woman did very, very bad. Now evil woman, he with his daughter. You see the way they dance, they shake hands, they shake body. Now NNENA come they cry, I come ask NNENA. NNENA say she no even call me at all. Oga, they pay me, they touch my heart. I just make her cry.
No, it's okay. Where?
Mama, good morning, ma. Mama, good morning, ma.
Queen Elizabeth, look at the time you're waking up. Good morning. Rubbish. I heard that David has gone back to the city. Since the marriage has been called off, when you on a village, So, you see this orange? This one I'm packing in the bag. I want you to take it to the market and sell everything because it's very fresh. I don't want you to come back with even a single orange. Why are you even crying? That one is your business. So, and before you go, make sure you sweep the whole of this compound. Sweep it clean. Do you hear me? Rubbish. Come on, go and get ready to go to the market. And before you go, make sure you sweep the whole of this place. No, come and marry now. Since David is no longer here, come and marry me. Idiot. Allah. Rubbish. Do that. Come and sweep this compound and carry this orange to the market now. Ogini. I don't want sun to hit my orange. Rubbish. The only thing you know is eat. Follow boys. Oh, rubbish. Be fast, oh. Be fast. The whole town is talking about what you did. they are pointing fingers and questioning my upbringing. Nena, I have a daughter. And I don't want that abomination you committed to affect my daughter. Inania. So I have decided to get you settled, get you married, so that the whole town will stop talking. They are talking too much. Eh?
Mama, I'm not interested.
And who cares whether you are interested or not? You don't have any choice, though. I'm not even asking, in fact, I'm not seeking your opinion. Inano, you must get married. So just get yourself ready, package yourself very well, because in the next 3 days, you're going to get married to Awilo.
What did you just say? Awilo?
Yes.
The village drunkard? God forbid, I will never get married to that man.
You don't know what you're saying.
It's not possible. I'm not going to marry him. It's better you
come and sit down there. I'm still talking.
Marry him.
Look, I'm talking and she's walking away.
Mama.
Oh, Guinea.
Awilo.
But Awilo is the best man for him now. Eh? She's even lucky that I did not even give her to a madman. That man that stays at our market. Eh?
Oh my God, Mama, you're worse than the devil itself.
Sit down. It's okay. All right, stop crying. Don't worry. Lucas told me everything. It's horrible.
She wants to marry me off. They want to marry me off to a street drunkard, and I don't want to marry that man. I don't want to go back to their house. Please. Please, can I stay here and work for you? I just need a roof over my head. I don't mind staying in the boys' quarters or even anywhere.
Hey, you can stay here for as long as you want. It's fine. Whatever you want is here. Food, clothes, whatever you want. And your boyfriend is a jerk. Why would you believe everything they said? Is something wrong with him? It's okay. Nena, can you stop crying? It's okay.
You've got to mind the way you treat people. The way you treat people. No, you never know. No, you never know what the future holds. All the hurt and the grief, the hate and the shame. All the pain and the tears became a blessing for me.
Katrina! Mama! Come, stop that thing you're doing, stop. Hey, Katrina again, eh? Don't tell me you are still cutting this firewood since morning.
Mama, please. Do you think this thing is easy? Eh? See, I don't know where NNENA has run off to, but someone needs to go and call her. Someone needs to go and look for her because I can't be doing this on my own.
Yeah. Ogini. What is it? Eh?
Mama, I don't know.
What did you eat?
Nothing. I've just been feeling somehow. I don't know, Mama. I don't know what to do.
What did you... Hey! Ogini!
This is so nice.
Thank you, sir.
Where is your food?
It's in the kitchen.
Get your food and eat with me.
No, sir. I'd rather eat in the kitchen.
Nonsense. Go get your food. Let's eat together.
Are you sure, sir?
Go on. Go on. This is so good.
Thank you, sir.
Where did you learn how to cook like this?
I'd say that I'm self-taught.
That's a lie.
It's the truth. Why would I lie about that? I started cooking when I was 8 years old. when my mom fell ill and there was no one to cook our meals in the house, so I took over the kitchen. That's how I learned how to cook.
I'm so sorry.
It's okay.
You're so young at that age.
I know, but she died when I was 9 years old, and that was when I moved in with my aunt.
Sorry about your mom.
It's okay.
Sad memory. This is so good.
Thank you, sir. I'm glad you like it, sir.
I love it. I once ate stew and rice, but then I'm still not.
Sir.
I'm going to inspect one of my farms. So I want you to know that I left some money in the drawer. You need anything, just take from there and sort it, okay?
Okay, sir. But sir, sorry to intrude, but I haven't seen Auntie Dion in a while. Is she okay? Did she travel?
Oh, well, she won't marry a farmer.
Don't follow.
I'll see you soon.
Hey!
I'm sorry now. I'm sorry.
Hey! The question very good. Katrina, what did I do to you? What did I do to deserve this?
I'm sorry.
Hey, you're sorry? Are you telling me you're sorry, Katrina? After all I did for you. Hey!
I'm sorry. This is devil's work. This is devil's work.
It is devil's work. You don't know who got you pregnant. Eh? Ay! Katrina, how many men did you sleep with?
Mama, 2.
Hey.
No, Mama. I think it's 4 men.
Hey.
Or 5, say. Mama, I can't remember.
You don't even know the number of men that slept with you. Katrina, why? Katrina, why? You were busy doing pure. You pure from here, enter here from here with all these Akinokwa boys. Now you are not pregnant.
Mama, it's for you. It's for you.
That one is pure is for me. Am I the one that got you pregnant?
No, give you dollars and pounds.
But I told you to follow men that has money. Men with big money, big cars. That's so much.
Sir, are you really a farmer?
Yes. Why?
Because you don't look like one.
Well, not all farmers look dirty.
But do you cultivate yourself or you hire people to do that for you? Because your palm is soft.
Okay. I cultivate, but not all the time. I take care of my garden mostly. But you say my hands are soft. Really? Have you touched my palms before? So how? It's fine. Okay. You can feel it.
No.
Come on, go ahead.
It's soft.
Are you sure? Okay. Oh, well, like I said, I tend to my garden sometimes, and then I employ people to help me to, run some things in the garden sometimes.
You have a garden?
Yes, I do.
Wow. I used to play around my late father's garden when I was little, and I have my own very small garden where I cultivate onions and cucumber. It's a very small garden. I'm sure it's not like yours.
Okay. But wait. Is our soil fertile for onions?
Every soil is fertile for onions. It all depends on how you manage and take care of it.
Okay. Okay. So tell me more.
Okay, it's simple. You just make sure that your garden is always clean, and you make sure that the weed does not overgrow the crop, and you always use organic fertilizers, not the artificial ones. For instance, you can even try sugarcane, you can try watermelon seeds, sometimes even tomatoes. Tomatoes, that one is very easy because we cultivate that all the time. Pepper, vegetables.
My sugar baby. Catty, my love, my sweet. What's the problem? Talk to daddy. Talk to daddy.
Chief, there's a problem.
Okay, what's the problem? What's the problem?
I'm pregnant.
You know, I don't like jokes, especially when they are expensive and dry. No, I don't like jokes.
Chief, I'm not joking. I found out a few days ago. I'm pregnant.
Eh? Leave my car. I said get out of my car.
Chief, stop all these jokes. Let's be serious. What are we going to do about it?
Please. Leave the car. Leave the car.
You're serious,
I said leave the car. If you don't leave the car, I push you down. Leave this place. Idiot.
Chief, it's not fair. It's me.
Get out. Close the door for me. You idiot. You want to pin down the bastard in you on me. You think I don't know your history in this town? Fool.
Hey! What do I do now?
Again, what is all this? What is this thing you are doing? Eh? Is that how to pound apple?
Mama, I'm trying.
Make sure no matter you are gone there. You're trying. If it is to eat food, you know how to eat food, but you don't know how to walk. Rubbish. So you are very fast too, so that you go and sell those oranges because they will not sell themselves. In NNENA. She's pouring water inside the apple. Is it water we are going to eat? Eh? I don't know why you're too lazy. Nonsense.
Nana.
Sir.
I noticed that the money in the drawer is untouched. Don't you use money for anything?
Sir, we still have enough food stuff in the house.
I'm talking about bags, shoes, hair, things that young lady use money for.
But sir, you pay me well enough. I'm fine. Thank you.
No jewelries?
I already bought some.
This is more like the old one.
I'm fine. Trust me. Thank you, sir.
Okay. I've been thinking here. My garden. I would want for you to manage it. Is that something you can do? Don't worry, I'll pay you well. I'll pay you. Just ask for
Sir,
it.
it will be my honor to do that. And I promise that I will elevate the place in such a short period of time. Believe me.
You will elevate the place. How are you going to do that?
Simple. I'll make available sugarcane, onions, watermelon, and cucumber. Things that we hardly cultivate in the East.
And you're sure it is going to bloom?
Yes, they will. I used to try them out in my father's garden when he was alive.
Okay.
And it worked. Just that I lacked the resources to continue and it failed.
Let's do it. Yes, now you have all the resources you want. Anything, just ask.
Sir,
Is that okay?
Yeah, that's okay. I promise you won't regret this. It will work.
Okay. And ask anything. Anything and you have it. Anything at all. Do you understand me?
Okay, sir.
All right.
Sir, thank you.
Okay, orange is 100 naira.
No go set 3, 200.
You mean 1, 2, 3, 200? Ah, Mbano, no. It's 100 naira. Oh. Orange is very costly. And do you know where we used to go and buy it? Nimofia. I will be on top of the this pickup at the back, and breeze will be blowing me front and back. I want me to sell it 200.
So how much is the banana?
Banana is 200. Which one do you want?
Okay, give me this one.
Yeah? Don't worry, let me put it for you. Take. Oh, you will like it. Come next time. Oh.
All right.
Hey. Let me bring out this one so that arrange this one here so that they will see it and buy. Hey. Afiama. Bia Katrina. Chilo. Hey, the orange you were peeling before I started selling to somebody and the person has gone since. You are still peeling orange. That is why Nana is better than you. You are so useless. Hey.
If you liked her that much, why did you make her leave the house? Why did you destroy her relationship with David? You know, mother, before you look for who to blame for your misfortune, you should first of all look at yourself in the mirror.
You've got to mind the way you treat people. The way you treat people. No, you never know. No, you never know what the future holds. All the hurt and the grief, the hate and the shame. All the pain and the tears became a blessing for me.
Hey, Chimegwemo! Hey! Hey! Oh, Katrina! Hey! Katrina! Hey! Chimegwemo! Hey! Happy! Katri! Hey! Somebody happy! Somebody happy! Katrina! Hey! Somebody happy!
Oh, you're here. I've been looking everywhere for you.
Is there anything you want me to do for you, sir?
Oh, well, not exactly. There's this all farmers seminar that we are invited to attend by, I think this afternoon, exactly by 1 p.m. So if you're interested and you want to come, that would be nice.
I would love to come, sir.
I love your enthusiasm and passion for work.
Thank you, sir.
All right, go get yourself something, take money from the drawer, and get ready. Leave everything else you're doing. By 1 p.m. we'll be leaving.
Okay, sir. Thank you, sir.
All right.
Actually, she lost so much blood, and as it stands now, she needs blood transfusion. And unfortunately, in our bank here, we don't have her blood type, so you need to get a donor to come and donate blood for her.
Hey, doctor, please check my blood type. Take from mine and donate to my daughter because I don't want to lose my daughter.
Madam, I've told you this already, that your blood level is very low. You cannot donate blood. You can't. Just look for someone that has O positive and bring. Let the person donate blood for her. You can't donate. And secondly, you need to go deposit some money to the cashier so that we can carry on with her treatment. Very, very important.
Will I get money, doctor?
Fine, she will be fine. Just look for someone that can come and donate blood for her. Everything will be okay. Please.
Katrina, why? Why did you do this to me? Oh. Now let's start looking for money now. Eh? Who will give me money? Oh.
Sir, how do I look?
Wow. You look amazing.
Thank you, sir.
Oh, shall we?
Okay.
C'est bon, mon ami, s'il vous plaît. Chinik.
What is it, Lucas?
Nene, now you be this. Hey, it's just finished.
Thank you, Lucas.
You know, see, I know say you fine. Even if everybody don't know say you fine. Me, Lucas, I know say you fine. But the kind beauty why I see you today, you just like those girls away from America, London, but you will just come back.
Lucas, that's enough, okay? You can go.
Okay, sir.
Off you go.
C'est bon. Nene, baby. Okay.
I know I've treated you so badly. I know I've done a lot of evil things to you. When I become one, please forgive your mother. Oh, no.
Did you say mother? You are not my mom. My mother is dead. And you have never been a mother to me.
Hey. I know that I'm not supposed to be called a mother to you because I've not treated you well. But I want because Negi o because I jealousy me. I was jealous that you are everything my daughter isn't. You are so good even when I treated you so badly. It pained me that you are such a nice person. But I never Bikonu, please forgive me. Oh, Bikonu.
Please, don't. Just
please,
can you just stand?
Bikonu.
Can I ask you a question? If Katrina wasn't sick, would you come looking for me? That's what I thought.
Let me go, no. Is this how I'm going to lose my daughter in the hospital? Oh, I love her. Let me go, no. Hey.
Nina, that is your mother there.
She is not my mother.
Okay, I need you to understand that this is a matter of life and death.
And I don't care.
I know that you're not a bitter person. As a matter of fact, you are the sweetest, most kindest person I have ever met. Do not turn your back on your family, please.
You don't understand, and frankly, I don't expect you to. Because you don't know what they did to me. You don't know what I had to go through in the hands of those people.
Okay. It's okay. It's okay. Sometimes the ones we love the most, they hurt us the most. Okay?
But
Shh, don't say anything. It's okay. It's okay.
Madam, she's fine now.
Ezeku. Hey! No. Hey, God, I thank you. Oh. God, I thank you. Thank you very much, doctor.
She's very fine now. But because of the pills she took, she lost the pregnancy.
Oh.
Yes, we tried our best to save the pregnancy, but we couldn't. That notwithstanding, I will prescribe medicine for her and as well prepare her discharge letter immediately.
Thank you very much, doctor. Thank you. God bless you.
Mama, what happened? No.
You'll be fine.
Hey. Oh. No. Hey. See, my dear, you took abortion pills, and that was exactly what landed you in the hospital. Blood was requested, and we don't have the money. So your sister donated her blood and also cleared your hospital bills.
Nina.
Yes, Nina.
Oh, God.
God, I thank you. Oh. Nemo, you're welcome back. Oh? Hey, I thank God. Welcome back. I'm so happy that you are alive. Eh?
Nina, I want to say thank you. Thank you for everything. Thank you so much.
Katrina, it's okay. You're my sister and I love you regardless.
Why are you so sweet?
My son, thank you very much for clearing our hospital bills. More especially for taking NNENA in and treating her so well. Thank you.
Nay. Nena here is a great person. She is a divine being. And I am privileged that our path crossed. As a matter of fact, one of the reasons I am here is to ask for your permission to take her hand in marriage.
Hey, please. This is her hand. Hey, no, bring this one. Take it. Take her hand, please. If I take both hands, take even the leg. Take them in marriage. Hey, hey,
Thank you. Thank you.
You're welcome. Hey.
I'm so happy for you.
Chai. Ogo, my in-law. You're welcome, Onna. Hey, no.
Mama.
We could go inside and prepare something for them to eat. Oh?
Sure.
Where are lunch? Go and prepare something for them. My in-law. Nah, you're welcome. Oh? Who are the clean? Eh? Hey! They go do
Oh no, this is...
Hey, honey. Baby, I'm back. I'm home to be with you.
What are you doing here?
Babe, I'm so sorry. I've realized my mistake. I know it's been over a year. I shouldn't have left you in the first place. I'm really, really sorry, okay? I'm back for you. It's just you and I against the whole world.
It's been 1 year since you left.
And I know it's been a whole year, but I'm back. It's just us.
Stop it!
Babe. You? Babe. You too.
Yes. We are happily married. And we are farmers. We like getting our hands dirty. Right, babe?
Yes, baby.
Babe.
You have to leave. Now. Now, I said.
My husband said you should leave. I believe he said now.
Like right now.
I love you, baby. I love my farmer.
Please tell me, is this my destiny? Is this my destiny?